Hi viewers, I'm Nadeem.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Farooq Academy. Today we will discuss new syllabus mathematics workbook 1 7th edition revision paper B2 which exists on page number 79. You can see in your new 7th edition book. So in question number 1, solve each of the following equations. Now you can see in question number 1, solve, that is 1 by 4 into x minus 2 minus x plus 3 is equal to 7 into x minus 1. So solve this by taking LCM. You see here in left hand side, here 1 by 4 is dividing, so we take the LCM 4. So you can write as x minus 2 minus 4 into x plus 3 and is equal to 7 into x minus 1. So after simplification you will get x minus 2 minus 4x minus 12 is equal to 7x minus 7 and divided by 4. So after simplification you can see here this one is your x and x, so constant term should be added, so you will get minus 3x minus 14 is equal to 7x minus 7, so divided by 4. So by using cross multiplication, this 4 will be multiplied with both the terms, so you will get 4 multiplied by 7x minus 7 and minus 3x minus 14. So minus 3x minus 14 is equal to 28x and 28 is equal to is equal to 28x minus 28. Now constant term should be shifted at one side, that is 3x minus 28x minus 28, and this term will be shifted there, so plus it become plus 14. So you can simplify it. You can see here so in further steps, minus, you can see here, minus 28 minus 31x is equal to minus 14. So you need the value of x, so you need minus 14 divided by minus 31. Minus minus will be cancelled, so the value of x is 14 by 31. So that is your required result. Now coming to the B part, in B part 2 into x minus 3, 5 into 3x minus 1 divided by 6 divided by 3 is equal to 1 by 12. So left hand side, so taking LCM, 6 is your LCM, 2 multiplied by 2 into x minus 3, 6 will be cancelled, so minus 5 into 3x minus 1 is equal to 1 by 12. So 4, 2 2s are 4, 4 multiplied with this one, then with this one. Similarly the minus 5 will multiplied with this, so after simplification 4x 12 15x plus 5 is equal to minus 12 divided by 6. So homogeneous term should be added and subtracted, that is minus 15x, and so you will get minus 15 plus 4, you will get minus 11x. So minus 11x divided by 6 is equal to 1 by 12, but constant term, that is 5 and 4, it should also be added because here is your constant terms, so you will get minus 7. So by using cross multiplication, this 6 will be written as 6 by 12 minus 11x minus 7. So you can see further steps here. Minus 11x minus 7 is equal to 6 by 12, 1 by 2, minus 11x minus 7, 1 by 2 plus 7, so 11x, because we need the value of x, so constant term once again will be shifted at other side. So again here is your LCM, 1 plus 14, you will get 15 by 2. So here is your 11x minus 11x, so we need the value of x, so by using cross multiplication it can be written as multiply with minus 11. So you can see here after simplification x is equal to 15 minus would be written in front of this, 11 2s are 22, so the value of x is minus 15 by 22. Now coming to the C part. In C part you can see 2 by x minus 2 is equal to 5 divided by x plus 5. So by using cross multiplication 2x plus 5 can be written as 5 into x minus 2 can be written as, so 2x 10 is equal to 5x 10. So constant term should be shifted at one side, so you will get 2x minus 5x, here 3x is equal to minus 20, so the value of x is minus 20 by minus 3. So that is your so after simplification minus minus will be cancelled, so the value of x is 20 by 3 is your required result. Now coming to the D part. In D part you can write as 5 by 11 minus 3x is equal to 2 by 3x minus 1. Once again by using cross multiplication, 5 3x minus 1, the denominator will be dragged, and similarly here also denominator will be dragged crossly, so you can write as 11 minus 3x. This is the methodology of cross section multiplication. So 5 3s are 15x minus 5, 22, 6x, so constant term should be shifted at one side, so minus 6 it will be plus 6, so you will get 27, and here the value of x is 21, we need the value of x, so 27 by 21. So here your result is 27 by 21, the value of x. Similarly, coming to the question number 2. Question number 2, A part. In question number 2, solve each of the following inequalities and illustrate the solution on a number line. So the value that is 2x less or equal to 18, so less or equal to 18 by 2 if we need the value of 18, so less or equal to 9. So on number line how can we show here? That is your number line, that is your 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and less or equal to 9, that is your 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Similarly 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3, minus 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 minus. So that is your number line. So how can you represent on a number line? That is less or equal to 9, less or equal to 9, so x is less or equal to 9, so you can start from here and the arrow sign will be towards this, towards left, because less or equal to, it is less, so from that side you can see the less quantities. So on number line, now coming to the B part. In B part you can see 2x divided by 5 greater or equal to minus 3. So greater or equal to, minus 3, cross multiplication, 5 will be multiplied, so the value of x is minus 5 3s are 15 by 2, so the value of x is minus 7.5. so how can you represent on a number line minus 7.5? So you can see here is your number line, x greater than minus 7.5, here is 7, that is your 7.5, so greater, so you see the arrow mark will be from left to right, because here is the greater value and there is the decreasing value. So greater or equal, so it means 7.5 to increasing order. So similarly, question number 3. Question number 3. 3f minus g divided by f plus 2g is equal to 4 by 3. We have to find the value, that is f divided by 39g. We have to find the value of this one. So how can we find? Similarly, we can use the cross multiplication. So therefore 3f minus g multiplied by 3 by using cross multiplication similarly is equal to 4 into f plus 2g. So this is the required value, that is we need f by 39g, we have to find of this value. Now by using cross multiplication, 3 3s are 9f, 3g, similarly 4f, 8g. So homogeneous term should be shifted at one side, minus 4, so 8g plus 3g, you will get 8 9 10 11g, so that is your 5f. So you can see here we have to simplify it like this: 8 9 10 11, 4 2s are 8, 4, so g plus f plus 2g. So once again you have to give a little bit careful, because each and every step should be rechecked. So it will become minus, it will become plus, so you will get 11g. So here is your 4 by 3. Here 4 by, in your textbook you can see here 4 by 5, not 4 by 3. So by rechecking you see here 4 by 5. So by using cross multiplication, here is your 5 3s are 15, and you can see around 5g. So that's the reason, that is your 5g and 4, and now it's okay. Now shifting, 5g will be shifted here, and 8g, g will be at one side and ff at the other side. So that is your 15 f minus 4, so you will get 11f, and that is your 8 9 10 11 12 13, so that is your 13g. Now it is okay. Now the value of f is 13g divided by 11, so that is your 13g by 11, the value of f. But what we need f by 39g we need. So it means we have to, by using cross multiplication, we can write as you can see here we can write as f is equal to 1 by 11. By using cross multiplication, 13g can be written as below this 13g can be written as, so f by 13g 1 by 11, but we need 39, so multiply both sides by 1 by 3. So this one is important step. You can see here, this one is very much important step, that is f is equal to, as f is equal to 13 by 11g, we need the value of f by 39g. so by using cross multiplication you can write as 13g is equal to 1 by 11. By using cross multiplication 13g can be dragged, so you will get 1 by 11. So 1 by 11 multiply by, we need 39, so we have to multiply both sides 1 by 3, here 1 by 3, so here 1 by 3, 11 3s are 33, and f by 13 3s are 39g. So we need the value of 1 by 39g, so that is equal to 1 by 33 is your required result. Now similarly, coming to the question number 4. Question number 4. In question number 4, if volume is given, that volume is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h, so we have to find the volume if the value of r is equal to 2 and h is equal to 5. It is given to us, so putting the values, volume is equal to 1 by 3, the value of pi is 3.142, and the r value is given 2 having square, and value of h is 5. So by using calculator, so multiplying, after you will get 20.946, so it is equal to 21 units volume having cube. So that is your result. So this is a 9.4. Similarly, in second part we use the same formula, that is pi r square h. We have to find h value if the value of volume is 75 and the value of r is 3. It is given to us, so putting the values here, you can see we need the value of h. H can be written as 3v. By using cross multiplication pi r square, the formula become like this, so we have to find 3v, the value of v is 75, pi value is 1.4142, and r is 3 having square. So after simplification you will get 7.956, which is equal to, by rounding off, is equal to 8 units, because it is height, so 8 unit is your required result. Now coming to the question number 5, given that satisfy the inequality 6 is greater than. Question number 5, given that the equation of inequalities greater or equal to 70 divided by 6, if we need the value of x, so divided by 11.6, so it means where 6 is a prime number, so 11, we say that 11 is a prime number, 11.6. so this is the basic big result, required result. So coming to the question number 6, that is a part, the length of a square is 2x plus 5 centimeter and its perimeter is 52. Find its area. Okay, if length is equal to 2x plus 5 centimeter and the perimeter is 52 centimeter, so find the area. So since, how can we find the area? Because if the because we have to find the area of a given square. So length is given, so perimeter is given. So since if we use the formula of perimeter, that is perimeter is a 4x in case of square, so perimeter is 52 4x, so it means the value of x is 52 divided by 4, so you will get 13. So the value of x is 13. Similarly, as the length is equal to, so the length is equal to this x is required, we have to put here, that is as given that length is equal to 2x plus 5. So putting the values here, the value of x is, so L is equal to 2 into 13 plus 5, you will get 26 plus 5, that is the value of L is 31 centimeter. So the value of L is 31. So with the help of this given parameter we have to find the value of x. Then we have used in a given length, so we have to find the area of a square. So you know the area of a square is equal to L square, so we have L here, that's why we can find easily the area of a square. So taking 31 square, so the actual area will be your 31 multiply by 31, you will get 31 multiply by 31, 1 3 3 ones are 3, then 3 3s are 9, so you get 1 6 9, so 961 is the required area, that is equal to centimeter square. So that is your required answer. Okay, now coming to the B part of the question. Mrs. Lim buys 60 eggs for $7. There are two kinds of eggs, type A and B. He buys type A eggs cost 11 cents each and type B eggs cost 13 cents each. How many of each type of eggs has she bought? First of all, it should be noted that cent should be converted to dollar, so you should divide by 100 because in $1 there are 100 cents. So that's why the all calculations are in dollar form, so cent should be converted to dollars. So first you see here, basically the given condition is that is question 6b, question 6b part. The A type of eggs and B type of eggs, total eggs is 60, that is your equation number 1. Then 11 cent A type and 13 B type, so it means divided by 100, that is 13 divided by 100 B type because it should be converted to dollar, and 11 divided by 100, it will give you $7. This is your equation number 2. So after simplification, so let we say after simplification 0.13b plus 0.11 1 2, because after division you will get 7. So that is your equation number 2. Now we have to multiply equation number 1 with 0.11, so and then subtracting with equation number 2, so we are able to find the value of b. Because we are using the simultaneously linear equation method, how to solve these two equations? These are the linear equations, and we have early discussed that how to solve simultaneous linear equations. So this is the case. So multiplying equation, we say that equation 1 by 0.11 and then subtracting from equation 2. Okay, so that's why after multiplication you will get 0.11 A plus 0.11 B, and 60 will be multiplied with 0.11, so it will be subtracted from the equation 2, that is 0.11. we should write above it there, that is equation number 2. We have to subtract from equation number 2, so write in it above. So in subtraction, sign should be changed. So when there is no sign, it means it is positive, sign should be changed, so a will be cancelled. So when you take the new sign, that is new sign is minus, so subtracting 13.11, you will get after subtraction you will get the value is 0.02. so and after multiplication you will get 6.6. so 7 subtraction with 6.6 you will get 0.4. so the value of b is 0.4 divided by 0.02, you will get 20. so the value of b is 20. so you can say that the value of b is 20. so now what is the value of a? So it means as put in equation 1, so therefore you can see here therefore a plus b is 20 is equal to 60. 60 minus 20, you will get 40. so that is the value of a. So the b type eggs 20 and a type eggs are 40, so total 60 eggs has been bought. So it means that is your required result. Now coming to the C part, a rectangular field of breadth 35 meter and has a fence around it. Given that 160 meter fence is being used, find the length of the rectangular field. Okay, so it means perimeter is given to us because the fence are all around, you know, it is known as perimeter. Now coming to the C part, it's a very difficult question. For students it's very much difficult because at this lowest grade or 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th students, how can O level, how can he solve? Anyhow, I am trying to simplify it. In C part, that is given that breadth is 35 meter and after reading statement 160 meter is the perimeter and we have to find its length. Since we have a formula that is a perimeter of rectangular shape is just like this, so 2L multiplied by 2B, so perimeter is given to us, that is 160. so the value of B is 35. This is also given to us, breadth is 35. so after simplification you will get, we have to find the value of L. so 60 90 which is equal to 2L, but the value of L is 90 divided by 2, so you will get 45. so the value of L is 45. so if the author of the book says that we have to find the value of L, so that is your required result. So now coming to the D part, librarian is librarian in charge of purchasing a new books for library. He bought 50 books. Once again by the same methodology type of question, you can see that is 6D part. A librarian bought 60 books. For example, let we say that A is equal to hardcover books and B is paperback book, that is, so we assume that, so since two types of cover books, hardcover and paperback books. So it is equal to A plus B, let is equal to 50 books. But this is your equation number 1. By the same methodology that we have discussed to solve this linear simultaneous equation. And second thing is that is, if you read the statement further, the author of the book says that each hardcover book is 1/2 as expensive as each paperback book. So each paperback book cost $4. So it means, suppose we have already discussed paperback book is like B, so the second equation will become like this, that will be equal to 4B is equal to $256 both, and plus, and A is as 1/2 times the 1/2 as expensive as paperback. So paperback having $4, so it is expensive as, so multiply by 4. So after simplification, this will give you 4B, and whole number will be finished. 2 ones are 2, 3/2, 3/2 multiply by 4, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, so you will get 256. So you will get 6A. So that is your equation number 2. Now linear simultaneous equation exists here, so you have to multiply equation number 1. Now multiplying equation 1 by 6 both sides, then subtracting from equation 2. So equation 2 should be written above as, that is 6A plus 4B is equal to 256. So multiply equation 1 with 6 both sides, so you will get 6A, 6B. So after subtraction, sign should be changed, new sign here, positive, negative, so it will give you 0, 5, 6 are 30, that is your 300. So after new sign, AA will be cancelled, you will get the value of B is minus 2B is equal to 300 minus 256, greater value sign should be used here, minus 44. So 44. Now we have to find the value of B, then put in equation number 1, you can find the value of A also. So that is the methodology of the question. So the value of B is, now therefore minus 2B is equal to minus 44. We need the value of B, that is minus 2 divided by, so you will get 22, minus minus will be cancelled, so the value of B is, so put in equation 1, put in equation 1. So that's, therefore the A plus 22 is equal to 50. So the value of A is equal to 28. So A type book, that is a hardcover having 28 books, while B type, which is a paperback book, having 22. So that is your required result. Now coming to the next question, that is question number 7. Question number 7. 3 points have been given to us, we have to draw the, for example, that is your question number 7, that is A points are 1, 2, B points are 5, 10, and C points are 9, 6. So what should you do? First of all, you draw the points here, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Minus minus should be used here. So minus 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 10, and similarly 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So this is your graph and 0 0. So you have to draw the points here 1 and 2. How can you draw? It has been given to you, that is first is x and second is y. So how can you draw? So if you take a point, that is 1, x-axis 1 and y is 2. So by cross using this one, so that is your 1 point, a point, and second is you can write here a into 1 2. Now b point 5 and 10, x-axis 5 and 10 is this one here. You can see that is your b, and b point is 5 10. First is x, second is y. Y is up and horizontal value is x. Now c point is 9 6, that is your 6, that is your 6, that is your 1 point. So c point is, the value of c is 9 6. So join these major points, for example this one and this one, this one and this one. So you can see here we have a triangle ABC. So we have to show the points and draw the triangle. So that is your triangle, required triangle. You can see here given, from given points you can draw on a graph paper a triangle. Now coming to the question number 8, that is on a sheet of a graph paper using scale 1 centimeter to represent 1 unit both sides, draw the, okay, 3 types of equations have been given to us. So once again you have to draw the same graph like this. First, when you have been given equation, so it means you have to find the points for each. That is, you have been given 2 types of equations. So for these equations you have to draw the graph for it. For example, you have been given like this, that is your x, then y, and another is this one, that is the value of x. And second equation is y is equal to x minus 1, and second equation is y is equal to 2x plus 3. So minus 4 and minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4 plus 4. So that is the main few important steps you should take here. So you have this equation. For example, if y is equal to x minus 1, so x minus 1, how can you, so for example, if you put the value of x minus 4, we have taken this value by ourselves, that 0 minus 1 minus 2 minus 4 and plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. So this is your first given equation. When you put x is equal to minus 4 minus 1, so your result is minus 5. So put here minus 5. Similarly, when you put here minus 3, your result is minus 4. So put here minus 4. Similarly, when you have here minus 2, so you will get minus 3 after simplification these two equations. So it means minus 1, so you will get minus 2. So put here minus 2. So when you have 0, so minus 1. So by using this equation you can find this. For example, 1 minus 1 0, 2 minus 1 3 minus 1 4 minus 1 3. So that is your required. Similarly, when you have another equation, that is y is equal to 2x plus 3, so when you put 0 here, so 3, so this equation gave you 3. When you put 1, so you will get 5. When you put 2, 2 to the 4 plus 3 7. When you put 3, 3 2s are 6, 7 8 9, and when you put 4 4 2s are 8 8 9 10 11. Similarly, when you put minus 1, so you will get 1, and when you put minus 2 you will get, that is minus 2 plus 3, you will get 2 2s are 4 minus 4 plus 3, which is equal to minus 1, so minus 1. Similarly, minus 3 you will get 3 2s are 6 minus 3, 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 3 you will get minus 3, so minus 3. And lastly, when you put 4 here, 4 3s are 12, 4 2s are 8, minus 8 plus 3 minus 5. So this is the methodology how to find the values by using given equation. And third one is y is equal to 3. What does it mean? It means that the value of x is 0 and the y is 3, so you can write as. So this is very much important table. With the help of this table you can draw the graph, because the equations are given to us. One is this is your question number 8, in which two types of equations are given, that is y is equal to x minus 1, second equation is 2x plus 3, and third one x is equal to 3. So these three equations are given, and we have to find, with the help of this given lines, we have to find the numbers on a graph paper, and then we find the triangle and the area of the triangle, because in this question we have been asked that find the area of the triangle. So that is your next B part. You can see here in B part, find the area. First of all, we have to find the triangle in this. So the value should be memorized by you. By the same methodology, you can see here, that is your 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 minus 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 minus minus. So here is positive 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So that is your positive 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Similarly, here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So for the graph we have made this. Now with the help of values which are given by the equations, so we can say that first point is, that is you can see that in graph, that is if you put first equation, that is 0 minus 1 0 minus 1, so that is the first given 0 minus 1, so 0 and minus 1 here also. And second point is minus 1, and minus 1 will give you minus 2, so that is your minus 2 will give you, that is the 1 point. Similarly, the other points are, that is 2 1 point, and the other points are 1 will give you 0. If you take 1, again you will get 0. So this is your central point. So that's why when you take 2, you will get 2 minus 1, so that is your, so 1 point is here. Other point is when you take 3, you will get 2, and so second point is here. When you take 4, you will get 3, so this one is your another point. So similarly, when you take minus 1, you will get minus 2, minus 1 minus 2, okay, this one. Similarly, when you take 0 minus 1, 0 minus 1, 0 minus 1, so that is your minus 1, that is your minus 1, 0 minus 1. So when you take 1, so 0, 1 is 0. So you can see here this is the measure. So when you take minus 1, when you take minus 2, your result is minus 3, so that is your minus 3. When you take minus 3, your result is minus 4, that is your result is minus 4. Or when you take minus 4, your result is minus 5. So you can see this is the line if you draw this line like this. Similarly, another second equation, this line represent y is equal to first line is, that is y is equal to which is given in your, that is y is equal to x minus 1. So second line you have draw, take the points 0, 3, 0 x-axis, and you will get 3, this one. So and minus 1 and 1, minus 1 you will get 1, so that is the point. So minus 2, when you get minus 2, you will get minus 1, minus 2, minus 2, minus 1, that is minus 1, cross area, that is. So join this. Similarly, when you take minus 3, you will get minus 3, minus 3 and minus 3, join this. And lastly minus 4, and you will get minus 5, so that is your minus 5. So so join this, you will get this. So it means now in positive side, when you take 2, you will get 7, 2 x-axis 2, you will get 7. So join this. Similarly, when you, this one is after joining. Similarly, when you take 4, you will get 11, 4 you will get 11. So join this. When you get 3, you will get 9, 3 you will get 9. Okay, now y is equal to 3, you see here, that is y is equal to 3. The third equation, that is y is equal to 3. So it means x is 0, this implies that 0, 3 x y, so that is your 3. So if you see here, this one is also in one point, if you take 0 minus 1, so that is your triangle. If we cut this triangle, if we cut this triangle, that is like this, like this, so that is your triangle which is being formed during the given points. That is that is your height, that is your base. So how can we find the area? So area is equal to half base into height, so that is your formula. So the base is how many points? Base you can count with the help of, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 points. So base are the 4 points, so you will get 4, and height is 1, 2, 3, 4. So height is also 4, so 4 4s are 16, divided by 2 you will get 8. So the area is 8 centimeters square. So that is your required result of this question, because we have to find the triangle and then we have to find its area. So you can see here, with the help of these diagrams you can calculate the area. Now last question of this text revision paper, write down the next two terms. Next two terms, we have been given 3, 7, 13, 21, then this one. You can see here the difference is, that is 4 difference, then 6 difference, then 8 difference, then we have to make 10 difference, so you will get 31, then again 12 difference you will get, because we have to note the difference between these given 2 points. So next one is automatically 43. So that is your required result by given pattern. You can see the difference, and with the help of 4, then added 6, then added 8, then 10, then 12, so you will get, then find the next preceding term. So we have completed revision paper B2, which exists on page number 79. I hope that it will be helpful to you. So thanks a lot. Thank you for watching.